Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. For ADA continues to play out here the overall scenario of a third wave rally. The pullback currently looks corrective. We did break out of this descending wedge that we had on the chart. Now, this might have just morphed into a corrective price channel. Okay, so yes, it could be that we have broken out and we're just retesting this from above, but it might also just still be in this sort of corrective price channel because you've got two parallel lines now. Good news is this move down looks corrective. I don't know if this support area is going to hold. To be honest, I don't have great confidence it's going to hold, but it's a support area, but really just micro support. I haven't even labeled that wave degree that this support area is relevant for. The more important support level is down here around the previous wave 4 low at 42.6 cents. But you know, this is sort of lower degree price action. I would be careful to try to trade every single wave here. I'd be careful to be over trading this because the real profit is going to be made here in the third wave rally. So trying to cash out at the top of the third waves and trying to buy back in at the low of the fourth, that's really difficult because the pullbacks can be very shallow, and price action here leaves options open for a few scenarios. I mean, again, it could be that we've rallied here in a wave 1, 2. This here is still a third wave in the making because the subwaves indicate, 5 waves could be complete, but I could also make the case that we still have one more wave to do here in this move up. Now, if I'm looking at this price action and the proportions, the longer this correction takes, the less likely I think it is that wave 5 is still in the making. Could very well be this is already in. If not already, well, that would mean the third wave is in. We have a deeper wave 4 pullback. Yeah, this is really just a micro count. Okay, this can change quite quickly, quite frequently, because what I'm doing here, I'm really labeling the sub wave structures, giving you an idea where we are, but it is hard, right? Because at the moment, this looks to me like a fourth wave pullback. What I'm not sure about, is this the fourth wave in this larger fifth, or is it this fourth wave? And there's no way of knowing that. So therefore, we've got these two support areas. They are both relevant. If we drop below this one at 44.3 or 44.2 cents, we're going to drop to the lower one at 42.6. If we do that, it wouldn't be bearish. It would just mean a deeper correction in an overall uptrend. Okay, very, very important. If this really is the third wave rally, I personally would be careful not to get too small with my positions here, not to try to overtrade, because the risk is that you leave this rally too early. But you know, yeah, everybody needs to decide that for themselves. A third wave rally, we talked about targets in previous videos. Next key target would be the 50.6 cent level. That's the textbook target here for white wave 3, but eventually it should move much higher if this is correct. And as long as these support levels are holding, we can generally focus on higher. I wouldn't even say that a break below 42.6 cent, to be honest, is bearish, because you can make the case that we've had 5 waves up here. Yeah. Depending on how I count it, as always, there are different interpretations possible. That's why I show you these more stable support and trend reversal areas in yellow. And these ones here, they can change frequently, because it could easily be that you had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete. And this formed the wave 1, and we come down in an A, B, C in a wave 2. I don't necessarily see that at the moment, but it is possible. It would just simply be a deeper pullback. So that would allow for another, let's say, entry point in a larger uptrend. Okay, so basically an opportunity, possible trade setup, another 1-2 setup that I think many people are waiting for. But for now, you know, things are looking good. I would just let it run. You know, anybody who found any entries down here, because at the moment, personally, I have no indication that this overall uptrend is over. If it is, or if it does, then of course I will let you know. But for now, the move down looks corrective. The move up looks impulsive. All I see here is just something that looks like a bull flag. And for now, we have found support at this 44.3 cent level. A drop below that again could take us down to 42.6, where we have another chance to find support. It's the previous wave 4 low, typically a strong area of support. So yeah, there is not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.